Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Raj. My son, he is 8 years old. He just saw this watch at Amazon and he asked me to order it, and we ordered and he just got it. I'm just going to unbox it and show you what's in there. It was about $45 at Amazon. Kids phone smartwatch with game, given 1 gigabytes of micro SIM, and there's a charger. Say thank you. And the manual. Okay, so this is the watch. So basically that's it. So you got the watch, the SIM card with 1 gigabyte of storage, and the charger. So this I'm going to peel it off. And first thing, let's put the SIM card inside. This is to store the files, so you can save. Let's say if you want music, you can save this on the SIM card. You have up to 1 gigabyte of storage, is more than enough. Save your songs or images, then you can put it in the watch, or even from here you can save it to your computer. So this is the only way you can transfer the files. And here you see there's a small gap in here. That's where you just pop it to open. And that's the battery. And here there are two places, and this is where you put the SIM card. This side goes down. That's it. And here there's a lock. If you slide down, and you can unlock it. And here, if you have any phone line, if you want to give a phone line to your kid for an emergency, you can have a line and just put that SIM card in here and close it and push it up to lock it, and that's it. Then you put the battery back. This side goes down and close it. So there's a net here, and this hole is going to go right there, and just push it, and that's it. Now here, this side you open, and you can put the charger to charge it, and once it's charged you can just close it. And this side is the power button. Just press and hold the button and it will turn the watch on. And this is a camera here, right here. The front page here, you will have a time, the date, the day, and that's it. Yeah. So if you swipe up, then you go to the menu. The first one, you have the contacts, so you just click, and that. So here you can set, and you can put a number and say your dad and say okay. Then you have the phone number. If you swipe again, then you can put your mom's phone number, and you can store up to, let's say, 8, 9, 10. So up to 10 phone number you can save. It's good, that good feature, because you, let's say, let's go back. You can store up to 10 phone number for your kid to have the numbers saved in here for an emergency. They can get the phone number from here, so they can have 10 emergency numbers can be saved in here. And if you have the SIM card, they can if you swipe the side, they can go and dial the number, and then they can call. Right now I didn't put the SIM, that's why it's not working. And if you so you have the contact, and here you dial, and this is a camera, and here the album. If you have taken any picture, that will be stored in here. Then you can check the pictures and music. The volume up.
The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen.
Here, like I showed you on the storage, you can save your songs and then you can load it here. Right now it just came with this one song, it's already here, but you can load anything you want. And you see it's only one song. Okay. And record. Here if you go to option and say new record, testing 1 2 3, mic testing 1 2 3, this is a testing. Stop, it's going to be saved, and then go to option, and then if you say play, the volume is really low, but for an emergency the kids can just record a voice memo, and then they can send it to you. And have a calculator, alarm, they can set the alarm, and there are about 7 games in here, so they can play the game if they want. And setting, here you can set the language, the time. So if you click here, you just set the time, and okay, and the date, you set the date and say okay. In the date format, I'll put it to 12. It's done. Okay. And basically that's it. So that's all this watch has. This is a good one to give a gift for any like 8 9 10 years old boy. My son really like it. Will be a good gift for $45. Under $50 you can just give a gift for a 8 9 10 years old boy. They will be really happy with that, and nothing fancy. The quality, for $45 you can expect the higher quality, but looks good. Okay guys, so if anybody interested to buy a watch, so I'm just showing you what's in there and everything what this watch can do. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribe to my channel for more useful videos. Thank you.